Hi, this is Steve the broker with Boatshed Texas Yacht Brokers. We're down here on this 2004 Regal Commodore 3860. I'll give you a walk around the exterior of this boat and give you an idea of the and layout. It comes with fairly recent upgraded canvas and isinglass enclosure for the cockpit. Nice size swim platform there with a good aft storage lazarette in the stern. On board and have a look around. Nice size cockpit with an L-shaped seating area in the stern facing forward. And nice horseshoe shaped seating area inside, adjacent to, on the port side, adjacent to the helm. Just over to starboard, all your steering gauges and circuitry there. Electronics, has a Garmin chart plotter GPS unit here. It's a 4210 unit. So comes the little bar sink and some storage below. There's an ice maker and an exterior stereo AM FM tuner CD player. We'll go up on the bow and take a look. This boat comes equipped with a bow thruster, which is nice. Help assist with docking there. Nice lounge, open plan lounging area up forward with a retractable bolster which folds back. It's a nice feature. And looking forward toward the companionway. For more information on this boat, please contact boats at boatshedtexas.com. Thank you.